Hey, buddy. Hi, buddy. What? You want to play? Hey, 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 hey. Get over here. Come on. Come on. Bring the shoe. Come on. No, you don't want that. You're all excited. You get to play. Look at you. You get to play. Oh, that's mine. Where are you going? Come on. That's a boy. Ouch. What are you doing? Come here. Don't you come over here where people can see you. Come on. Over here where people can see you. Stop it. Stop it. You're being a stinker. You're being a stinker. No. Play with your brother. Play with your brother. Play with your brother. Oh, no. Come on. Back to the shoe. No, 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 no. Hey, no. No. Good boy. Hey, 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 hey. Look, he's taunting her. He's a smarty. No. Look at you. Someone's got your sock.
Yeah. Everybody picks on him, so he picks on me.
Where'd he go? Hi, little guy. Hi, little buddy. Hi, little buddy. Not you, Nita. Not you. Oh, we found Mom. Okay, well, come over here and see this guy. Stop. No in the shoe. No shoe. I see, yes, I see. You're very sweet. Poop breath. Yeah, she got poopy breath. Hey, quit picking on her. Oh. She's tired. She doesn't want to play. Come over here. Let's see where the little white guy is. Come on, let's see what he's doing. What is he doing? Mom's off limits for today. Come on, let's see. Oh. What are you doing now? Oh, Nita.
Nita, come here, sweetheart. Come here, Nita.
Thank you. Oh, he's smarter than the average bear. Where you going? No boots. Oh, no. No, what are you doing? What What are you doing? I see you. Come on. Good boy. You're a good boy. A good boy. Look how clean you are. Yeah. You need to stop taunting her. What on earth are you doing? You want to play with the others, huh? Yeah, you want to play with the other guys. You want to play with the other guys? What? What are you doing? What is wrong with you? You have just gotten so into some energy. Look at you and all that energy. No. You gotta stop. You need to sit. Okay. You're a good girl. You're a good girl. Yeah, he doesn't want to. He's not playing. Come on. No, on the shoe. They're hungry. Yeah, you know where the food is, huh? You know where the food is?
Here it goes. Touchdown.
Oh, that smells good.
Yeah, I'm really hungry and really